I wake up. The house is quiet again. Too quiet. I look at her door. It is closed. It is always closed now. I am Marta. I live in a small apartment. It is just me and my cat. My days are simple. I work at home. I make tea. I listen to the radio. In the evening, I sit in my chair. This is my life now. Every morning, I make 2 cups of tea. It is a habit. I put milk in one. I leave the other cup black. I carry them to the small table. Then I remember. I drink both cups myself. My cat watches me. I watch the empty chair. That chair was her chair. She liked to sit there and read. She liked to tell me about her day. Now the chair is just a chair. It started 6 months ago. My daughter, Anna, lived with me. She was 22. She was looking for a job. She was always busy. She had many dreams. We talked a little. We shared the small space. It was normal. It was quiet but good. One Tuesday, I went to the market. I bought her favorite fruit. When I came home, her door was open. Her room was very empty. The bed was there. The desk was there. But her bag was gone. Her books were gone. Her photos were gone. I stood in the doorway. I did not understand. I called her phone. It did not ring. It was already a different number. Why did she leave? Was she angry with me? I think about our last talk. It was about her job in another city. I said it was very far. I was worried. She said, I did not understand. Was that a fight? It did not feel like a fight. It felt like a normal talk. Maybe it was not normal for her. I look for clues. I find nothing. There is only the quiet. I begin to water her old plant. It is on the kitchen window. She forgot it. It is brown and dry. I give it water every day. I talk to it a little. I say, good morning. It is a silly thing, but it feels less lonely. The cat sits near the plant. He watches the street. One morning, I see something green. A small new leaf is on the plant. It is very small and very green. I touch it gently. It is soft. I feel something in my chest. It is not a big feeling. It is a small, warm feeling. I sit in her chair. I look at the plant. The sun is on the new leaf. I do not have answers. I still have the quiet. But the quiet feels different now. It feels like a room, not a hole. I drink my tea. I wait. Not for anything special. I just wait, and it is okay.